So welcome back, we're here, we're back on it at last. I've had probably about a week and a half of doing nothing really. Lost a little bit of interest for a little while, but I'm back on it. This has been a little bit trickier than I thought, but I've got there. It looks good. I've done all this now, smoothed it all off. I've got a little bit there to do, but I'll wait till I get it all back on the car and weld it on before I smooth the rest of it off. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Still got to do that little lip here, down here, to go onto this bit. Like I say, I'll get it on first and then put that bit on after. But it sits nice and snug. I've come up here and just cleaned up some of this because I'm gonna have to spot weld this bit of the lip just to get that shape all back in, and then I can weld it back up in this corner here. Get all this bit in here, get all this welded in, and weld it up there. But that's the plan really. As you come around the other side, I'll show you. So if you come around here, see there, look, so I've cut that. So I've cut that all into shape here, cleaned all the metal up, and that's going to sit in there. And then hopefully you get this bit done. And that's what we're going to do now, get this bit welded in. So what I'm going to do is get this bit put up in here, like that. So that does go in it, look at that, that does go in there. So get all that clamped up inside, and then we can start welding it up, and then get this bit done, and then hopefully we can start making the new jig up with these bits of metal and all that over there. So that is the plan, So what we do now is get this bit done and started, get it all clamped in there, and let's get welding. Let's go. So there you go, that's all welded in there. Come up really nice actually, I'm really pleased with it. Got to get this bit smoothed off. Got it really nice and snug to this chassis leg. I'm going to get a bit closer when I get the new one on, because it's only actually spot welded on that little bit there, you see, that's why it's not as snugged as tight. But so that bit over there has all been done over there, so get this smoothed off, and then what I'll do is come around here. As you can see, it's all there, looks really nice there now. I've got the shape up here, coming down here. I've still got to weld this bit on here, so I'll probably do this next, get this bit all done, and then we'll come up and make this lip here, which is obviously on that bit there, as you can see. Got like a lip on it, you see. So I'll make that bit to go in there as well. So we get this bit done, then come up and do this, and then we're getting there really. We are really getting there. And it's just going to be pretty much this bit done, and then jig time really. So let's crack on. So there you go, all welded in nice here. Got the nice shape down coming down here. I've done all these other bits, that's all tight to this chassis leg now. So I'm really pleased with that. Got all this bit in here, the lip, round to this bit, really quite nice. I've just got to go around smoothing everything off now and get it all nice and smooth. And we're pretty much there and done. We'll do that and put some primer on it and we'll go from there. So all smoothed off, not really worried too much about this bit underneath here because it's going to be where the battery tray goes, so you're not going to see none of this. Smoothed off around there, looks pretty good. Yeah, it's quite really nice. Really pleased with it. So there you go, I smoothed it all off at the top here. Gonna get the legs off first before I completely finish it all off smooth wise. This bit here, I'm gonna wait and get the leg off so I can actually cut this and get all that smoothed off in there and get this lip back a bit so it's the same thickness as this. So if you can see there, it's a bit wide at the moment, but yeah, once that's all tucked and cut in there, it'll be nice. So that's good, I'm really pleased with it. I'll show you the other side. So there's the other side. I just want to show you this bit here. As you can see, there's quite a bit of a that's why I put this little bit of bend in there, because that's what was on the other one, to get this shape. You can't really see it very well there, I'm not really sure you can see it. But as you look down there, you can see that curves in and then comes back out. But yeah, I'm pretty snug with there. But obviously once I get that all spot welded on there and nice and tight to the new leg, it'll be good. So yeah, pleased with it. So like I say, get this bit well done once I get the leg off, but I'm there now, so get a bit of primer on this and that's it, I've done it. I've actually done both inner wings. I've still got to probably cut this bit out here and redo this bit because I want to get rid of that hole. Doesn't need to be that big, so I might have to do some of this here. Well, we'll definitely be doing some of this here, but how far I go up here I don't know. But I'll be doing that once I get all the leg off. Like I say, I'll log the front end off and then I can come back and just get all this bit done before all the legs go on. But yeah, we're getting there. So next time we will be doing the jig. So yeah, I'm happy with what I've done. Managed to get a video at last. As you can see down there, that looks really nice. Brand new now. So that is the end of the video. Thanks for coming back once again. Got quite a bit done in this one. Got that bit now all sorted in the inner wing. Next time we are going to be doing the jig. Come back, see what's going down, and like and subscribe. Thank you very much for the comments. Get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.